These here are the JLab JBuds Sport 3rd generation, and in this video I am going to talk to you about the 3 most common questions that the internet asks about them, and this one really important one which they completely miss. So let's talk about it. I do need to tell you these were provided to me to do this review, but with no instructions. I had to figure it all myself. I had to wear them for about a week so that I could talk to you informed about this. So just so you know, this is what they look like They are an earbud with a loop. Let me show you. They have this cool loop specifically designed for sports so that you don't have to worry about them coming loose, falling out, anything like that. The kit comes with the 3 different size gels as well as a foam insert. I'm personally a fan of the little bit smaller size gel. That seems to work better for me. There are a couple really cool things that I do want to tell you about before I get to the questions. Number 1, it has 3 different EQ things. Happen to be a big fan of the bass boost. I love that. It sounds great. It also, along with its noise cancellation, normally it gets called transparency, but they call it be aware mode, which simply allows specific outside noises to get through to help keep you safe so you're not completely isolated from the world while wearing these exercising. Speaking of exercising, that is one of the 3 questions. They are IP66 waterproof, which means I can run, I can sweat, I can run in the rain, all that kind of stuff. But if I jump in this pool, they're as good as dead. So that's your basic rule of thumb. They can get a little wet when you're sweating and working out and all that kind of stuff. Just don't expect them to be waterproof. Listen time, that is another question. So they're good for about 9 hours for each earbud. And then you get another 35 hours or so inside the charging case, which is really cool, which has a cool party trick. Let me show you. It has its own built-in charging wires, so you don't have to worry about bringing extra wires. You can just plug it into any USB-A, which to me is a little bit of a downside. I think this should be USB-C compliant, then maybe have an adapter for USB-A, because how many of us actually use USB-A anymore? In terms of the Bluetooth, it's a really good quality Bluetooth connection. There's a low latency mode if you're watching movies, so there's not a delay with the audio. And then additionally, some other party tricks they have is you can connect to 2 devices at the same time, and you could actually connect each different earbud to 2 different devices. How good is that audio quality? I'm a big fan. As I said already, I already kind of gave that away. I really like that bass mode. That bass mode really makes me very happy when I'm out on a bike ride. If this kind of content's helpful for you, please subscribe. Remember to give the video a like. Put a comment below. Do you have any questions about these? Anything else you want to see me review? Anything like that? Okay, you've waited to the end, right? You've waited to the end to hear my thing that people have missed about this. And the thing that I don't see people talking about on the internet is its Tile connectivity. That's right, you can download the free Tile app and use it to find these if you've misplaced them. I think that's a really cool additional functionality because I've been known to misplace an occasional thing, and the fact that I can just search it on my phone and find them is, I think, a really good value add, a really good plus at a no additional cost. So hopefully this has been helpful for you. I'll see you next time.